Hello, my dears. We are on problem of the day 36.
Hello.
Hello. I know I am out, but I'm still with you. The math must go on. Forgive the noise. My kids are here. The cat is meowing. Jordan's playing a video game. Presley is opening those eggs on YouTube. And
She loves math, my mom.
I do love math. Jordan's right. And you have to love math. Just humor me. Problem of the day 36 wants us to compare and contrast rational and irrational numbers. Now, you can give some examples. You could have looked in your interactive notebook or your textbook. Don't forget, though, if we have to compare and contrast, we need 3 to 5 sentences with 3 to 5 keywords. We're going to do just a sample of what a distinguished answer would look like, and yours can look different and still be distinguished. But if you feel like yours is not distinguished, feel free to add to yours from what I have. Let's get started. Alright, the first thing I know about rational and irrational numbers is that they form a set of real numbers. So that's what my first sentence is going to be.
Numbers.
Rational
Numbers.
and irrational numbers
To know.
form the set of real numbers. So that was my first and opening sentence. This is a math thing, so you could even have included the diagram that we included in your chart, and that's how I'm going to kind of do mine. Rational and irrational numbers, so I'm going to underline rational and irrational, form the set of real numbers. So I'm going to start out with real numbers. Well, I don't think I'm going to have enough room on this slide. I'm going to go to the next slide to do this. I'm going to start with real numbers. Now, from real numbers, I have rational and I have irrational. Now, one thing I can talk about is the difference in decimals. Over here we have decimals that repeat. Or stop. And over here we have decimals that just go on and on and on.
Your Bubby has a better idea.
And that's like the dot, dot, dot. No fighting. Please and thank you. No fighting.
For your video, hey.
Jordan says hey. We also have the difference in square roots. What is my difference in square roots? Jackson Potter, what's the difference? Okay, pretty good. On rational, we have perfect squares. So like the square root of 36 or the square root of 100. On irrational, we have any number that's not a perfect square. We have 3 or 90.
Or 2.
2 is also correct. Good job, dude. We also have under irrational anything that is pi. So I'm going to go to another slide. We have anything that is pi. And under rational, we have integers. And I'm just going to call them integers. I don't have to list them. Okay, so I can write more if I need to, but I gave one good sentence, and I gave several examples. And that's really important in math. I still have my 3 keywords, so I'm going to call that distinguished. You can still have distinguished and have used 3 sentences. You could have just listed your examples with commas separating them. So that was not the only way to do that. Alright, I will see you, sort of, for your problem of the day tomorrow.
20 plus 20 is 40. Woo!